Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply create an Xfinity account. But before we start the video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we'll simply just start our video now. So if you want to do so, first of all go to your phone's browser and simply go to your search bar. As you can see, I have typed in xfinity.com and you simply be able to land on this kind of interface right there. So after that you will simply be able to see this human icon on top right corner. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see this kind of interface, right? As you can see above, you can see this option called sign in right there. So what you gotta do, simply go ahead, tap on the sign in option. So once you tap on it, you will be able to see this kind of interface where you can simply go ahead, add in your email, mobile, or username. You have three options as it's given easy for you by Xfinity. You can go ahead, enter any of the information that you're confident about, that you are like, this is the correct information. Go ahead, type it over here. And then once you're done, you can simply go ahead, tap on this let's go option, and you simply be able to get logged in to your account right there. And if you have other things to check in, simply go ahead, you can see here information, go ahead and check it out. And then if you just are done with it, simply go ahead, tap on let's go, and you're good to go right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply go ahead and get logged into your Xfinity. And I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.